What is computer hardware? Here is your same structured beginner-friendly content for what is computer hardware? Beginner level. Introduction. Computer hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer system that you can see and touch. A computer is made up of two main parts. Hardware means physical components. Software means programs and applications. Hardware is responsible for processing data, storing information, displaying output, receiving input. Examples of hardware include keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, hard disk, RAM. This topic helps beginners understand the basic building blocks of a computer. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware includes all the physical components of a computer system. In simple words, hardware equals the physical parts of a computer. Key idea. Instead of X, invisible programs, hardware is tangible, physical, real components. Main types of computer hardware. Type purpose. Input devices, enter data into computer. Output devices, display results. Processing devices, process data. Storage devices, store data. Devices used to give input to a computer. Examples: keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, input data equals hello. Print, input received, input data. Devices used to display results. Examples: monitor, printer, speakers, print, displaying output. Processing devices. The main brain of the computer. Example: CPU, central processing unit. A equals 5, B equals 10, print A plus B. Storage devices. Store data and files. Examples: hard disk HDD, solid-state drive SSD, USB drive data, file stored, print data. Example of hardware interaction: input value equals 5, result equals input value times 2, print result. Basic components of a computer. Component function: CPU processes instructions, RAM temporary memory, storage permanent memory, motherboard connects all. Parts: power supply, provides electricity. How computer hardware works. Step 1. Input data equals 10. Step 2. Processing. Result equals data times 2. Step 3. Output. Print result. Step 4. Storage. Saved data equals result. Input means, process means, output cycle. Input value equals 3. Output equals input value plus 7. This is the basic working of a computer. Hardware versus software. Feature: hardware, software. Type: physical, digital. Example: keyboard. Application: visibility, visible, not visible. Role: executes tasks, provides instructions. Full menu-based. Example: def input device. Data equals input. Enter data. Print input data. Def process data. Num is input. Enter number. Print processed. Num times 2. Def output device. Print displaying result. While true. Print N1 input. Print 2 process. Print 3 output. Print 4 exit. Choice equals input. Enter choice. If choice equals 1, input device. Elif choice equals 2, process data. Elif choice equals 3, output device. Elif choice equals 4, break. Else, print invalid choice. Computer components, input-output systems, data processing, storage systems. Hardware versus software. Basic computing. Real-life analogy. Computer hardware is like a human body. Keyboard means hands, input. CPU means brain, processing. Monitor means eyes, output. Memory means brain memory. Ways to improve understanding. Open a computer and identify parts. Learn about CPU and GPU. Study memory types. Build a simple PC. Explore hardware diagrams. Learn basic electronics. Compare SSD versus HDD. Study input-output devices. Common mistakes beginners make. Note: confusing hardware with software. Thinking CPU is the only part. Ignoring memory importance. Not understanding storage types. Overlooking input-output devices, where hardware is used. Personal computers, laptops, smartphones, servers, gaming systems, embedded systems, IoT devices, data centers. Large systems may include supercomputers, cloud servers, AI hardware systems, networking infrastructure. Simple definition. Computer hardware, the physical components of a computer system that perform input, processing, storage, and output. Final summary. Computer hardware is the foundation of computing that takes input, processes data, produces output, stores information. It is essential for understanding how computers and AI systems work.